Hi everyone, and welcome to day 1 of week 2 of your Dawn Patrol sessions. So we ended our first week with some seated stretches, so we're going to kind of get back to some standing stuff today. So I want you to go ahead and stand firm on the earth, raise your arms up to the sky, wake up the body. Good, and then exhale, rest those hands down by your sides. Do that again, inhale, arms up. Good. This time, exhale, you're going to fold forward with me. So open those arms, fold forward. Good. Your half lift, what you've learned, heart forward, booty out. Good. Put your hands down on your mat, and now step your left foot back. Good. And then keep your left hand down. Open up your right arm. Good. Lift and open. Exhale, put your right hand down. Now, keep your hand outside the foot, but this is a tricky one. Raise your left arm up now. Don't fall. 3. Maybe your eyes are still half open, so just close them. 2. Good. Exhale, release. And now you're going to take a pivot to the left, wide-legged forward fold. Exhale, drop your head. And now guess what? Keep pivoting, and now you're framing your other foot. That's your left foot. So you're going to twist, raise your left arm up. And if you're like, what just happened? All we did was make a little turn on the mat. Good. Open it up and then put your left hand down. Bring your right arm back up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Good. Bring your right hand down. Pivot, wide-legged, forward, fold. Keep pivoting. Step your feet back together. Good. Stand up slowly. Nice. Inhale your arms up. Good. Exhale, fold forward, please. Hands to shins. Find that flat back again. And bring the body down. Exhale. Now, step the right foot back this time. Keep the left foot between the hands. Glue the right palm. Raise your left arm up. Twist. Left hand comes outside the foot, same as before. Right arm rises. Inhale. Good. Wake up your week. Happy Monday if you're practicing with me as this releases. And good morning. Good. Exhale, release. Pivot right. Wide-legged forward fold. Drop your head for a hot second. Keep the pivot going. Find the back of your mat. Left hand down. Right arm up. Twist. Good. Hold it. Right hand down, pinky toe edge of foot. Left arm up, open up. 3, 2. Good. Frame the foot. Pivot back to that wide-legged forward fold. Stay. All right. Exhale, soften and fold. Breathe. Take your hands out wide. Grab your ankles and then pull your chest in deeper. Wake it up. 3. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 2. Good. Now pivot back to the top of your mat. Last time, exhale, feet together. Nice. And then gently fold. Roll it up slowly, slowly, slowly. Good. Find a wall, all right? So something nearby. Press your palms into the wall. Walk your feet back. Stick out your booty. See if you can drop your ribs. Good. 3. Close your eyes. Create multiple chins. Tuck it. 2. Good. Bring yourself up the wall slow. Bring your hands to your hips. Nice. Widen your feet for me one more time. All right, and we're just going to take a gentle twist here. So I want you to go ahead and put your hands on your hips. Come forward with me. Right hand below the right shoulder. Left arm opens up. And your lines might not be as straight or as stacked, and that is fine. You are just working on stretching and opening up. Take a big inhale. Left hand lowers below left shoulder, right arm up. Stretch with me. Good. Exhale, fold. Blow out a big candle. And then bend your knees to gently rise up. Body should feel awake. I hope you have a wonderful start to your week. Thank you for waking up with me again for your Dawn Patrol Week 2, Session 1. Namaste. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.